coastal.
Following is a coastal flood warning. Coastal flood warning in effect from 8 a.m. to noon Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. 1. Minor to moderate coastal flooding expected. Inundation depth up to 2 feet. Large outright waves will lead to beach erosion and splash over. Where? In Maine, coastal York, coastal
That's a
Cumberland,
fail.
Saginaw, Lincoln, Knox, and coastal Waldo counties. In New Hampshire, coastal Rockingham County. When? From 8 a.m. to noon Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Tidal flood impacts. Flooding of locations near the waterfront expected, including some damage to vulnerable structures. 1 to 2 feet of inundation is expected in low-lying areas. Road closures expected. A few locations could become isolated due to the flooding of roads. Vehicles parked
I think it toned
in
through
areas
there.
near the waterfront will likely become flooded. A few evacuations may be needed in the most vulnerable areas. Wave impacts. Expect moderate to low significant beach erosion general erosion of protected dune structures due to large breaking waves. Flash over may lead to parting of water behind dune structures that result in some flooding of roads and vulnerable structures. Small rocks associated with flash over may lead to pausing of water behind
1029 went off for that.
flooding of roads and vulnerable structures. Small rocks associated with splash over may result in damage to paths.
For 99.
That my experience
Is a business that
Coastal
Cumberland, York, Kennebec, Lincoln, and Saginaw, New Hampshire, including the following areas: Eastern Hillsborough, Merrimack, Gofford, and Western Central Rainfall.